Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to our Solar and Sustainability event 2024. I hope you enjoyed a nice summer. I did. Yeah, it's great to be back and looking forward to an exciting fourth quarter of this year. It has been somewhat of a roller coaster, but yeah, it should go up. Everyone, I hope, is optimistic. So, my name is Michael Schmela. I'm the managing director of TaiyangNews, all about solar. We are a solar technology news platform, in case you don't know us. And yeah, I'm happy to welcome you on behalf of the Taiyang team, which is based in several countries around the world. Okay, today our event, so we have this monthly event, and ours today is on solar and sustainability. The last edition was actually 1.5 years ago. It was last year in March, and quite some time has passed. A lot of things have happened, and probably all know that sustainable is quite a complex concept on the environment and the development. There's a definition actually from the UN, which kind of says that sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Good thing is renewables, solar are a great response to this concept. Simply, unlike conventional energy generation sources, we don't deplete any fuel resources. There's, of course, a different kind of emissions. Nevertheless, we are also, it's an industrial produced product, and this has also implications. And so if you were walking any of the recent big shows and looked at especially the big companies, you saw that sustainability is very high on the agenda. So we want to take today's event, the next few hours, on simply looking where we are and simply discuss this with several stakeholders. So first of all, I'd like to say thank yous to the sponsors of this event. This enables us to organize these conferences regularly and free of charge. Just briefly, some information on housekeeping. So we have this chat here. It is a virtual event, so it's somewhat more difficult than at a physical event to network. Nevertheless, please use this chat, our, as we call it, coffee room, to interact with each other, ask questions, answer also questions, and also contribute with comments. But always please be nice, even if a competitor has said something you disagree with. Okay, so let's quickly look at the agenda. I think we have a really great group of people for this event. The way we've structured it is that we have invited world-leading companies to talk about their sustainability concepts. At the same time, we have 3 associations that dive then deeper into the topics. So, and we start with a keynote from Bernhard Strohmeier, who's the head of renewable energy at Bundesverband Neue Energie. That's the German name. Translated, it's the German Association of Energy Market Innovators. And he will talk about best practice for solar parks. Then we will have 2 presentations from 2 leading module companies who are also vertically integrated. Some are even, Longi is, for example, also going to the sites in hydrogen. electrolyzers and other products, and we have several of these companies. So we have 2 companies, and this is then followed by another association. We have then the Solar Stewardship Initiative, talk about transparency, which is also a big topic, especially in solar, obviously also in other industries, but here it was cooking somewhat high because we are a renewable energy technology. Then we have 3 more companies, also leading companies, Trina Solar, Tongwei, and Astronergy. And the final presentation will be given by the managing director of PV Cycles. So then we come to the end of life and look at what's happening or has to happen with solar modules after their life. This will be followed then by an around 40-minute panel discussion, which I will moderate, and we will have Alina, Benjamin, Bernhard, and Jan Klinke, so 2 module manufacturers and 2 associations, simply discuss and reflect what we've learned during the conference and see what role sustainable has to play. And that's why we called the panel discussion what's needed most to further improve solar sustainability, acknowledging, as we will see, that we've already done quite a bit.